Here's a 2019 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rear view mirror, entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, front and rear parking sensors, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. Take it for a test drive today. Call us today at 561-508-9936.